One, if you're a CA student and got bored of your routine and outdated study advice, stop scrolling because you are at the right track. Today, I'm going to share about the 5 hacks that topper use for the mark strategy, but with the twist. Because I am an AI expert, and today we're going to share about AI सीखो because of कठिन काम का नहीं काम आसान बनाने का समय है. How AI is going to cut your time to the half, boost your productivity, and helps you to score well for the master game, for a game changer. Stay connected till the end because we are going to share about the game changer tip for you, because it's time for the CA students and it's no gyan, only smart AI. Nagi, chartered accountant, AI expert, and with the mission on the YouTube, no gyan, only smart AI. So let's dive into the video and study all the practical aspects. I'm going to log into a chat GPT, that is CA GPT for the students, and students will be able to learn about the more new aspects. Firstly, I'm going to log in about. If you have a long ICM module, class notes, and you won't be able to read everything at your own, you want to revise all the aspects in a single go, you are at the right track. First, that what you are able to do, that you will be able to get a summary of whole book in a just a click. How you will be able to do that? Let's summarize in a very precise manner. GPT, and let's see, GPT is going to give us a summary of whole book that I want to revise. So that means my quick revisionary note that will help me to revise on a last day of my book. Easy for you to get a summary of it and revisionary notes for the last day revision. Going for my second hack. Let's automate it and get the MCQ detailed for my final day revision from the GPT itself. Second factor. So my second factor is I want a complete list of the MCQ from the GPT itself to get a complete and detailed preparation of the MCQ. So let's share it, the prompt with the GPT, and GPT will help you to give the detailed MCQs that I can prepare for my final day examination, a day before the examination, completely revise it from the GPT and dive into it. With the details, with the answers, that means it's very easy for you to study each and every factor, each and everything from the GPT and get revisionary notes from the GPT itself. Third hack will be quite easy, and it's a kind of a study strategy that you can use for it with the AI tools. Let's plan your study accordingly. Study at a stretch for 25 minutes and give 5 minutes break. Again, study for 25 minutes and give 5 minutes break. For that, you can use the tools like Focus to Do, Google Timer, that will help you to plan the study accordingly and try to do that. Give 25 minutes study, completely focused one, so that you will get completely good and miracle outputs. Number 4, let's structure the revisionary notes in a very charts, diagram, pie charts, so that you will be able to gather and adopt it in a very well manner. This prompt to the GPT, create a mind map for the chapters of the direct taxation related to residential status for all the key headers and the subheads. And it will give you a very, very, very surprising and miracle results. See, it has given you a picture related to the mind map. All the charts, all the diagrams, everything has been structured in a single framework and will help you to revise all the chapters in a very, very quick and easy manner. Tip number 5. Instant mentor, instant query clearance. Why to wait for a single person, anyone to answer your queries and reply back to you? If you have an AI tool that will directly help you to solve all your queries at a single point of time, what you need to do is go to the chat GPT, help and answer each and every kind of a query that you have to wait for everyone to clear all your doubts and address your queries and for your single, each and every kind of answer. At that point of time, you have your assistants, ready-made assistants for yourself to answer any kind of queries. Simple, what you have to do that, go to the GPT, ask the queries that you want the GPT to answer. See, I have answered. Let me explain the concept of the input tax credit reversal. And GPT is there to help me to explain each and everything with the pointers, with the charts, with the explanation, and without any kind of assistance. It helped me to understand the concept with all the examples, explanation, and with the trick and strategy. That means a memory tip. It's also giving you the memory tip. Simple, what if everyone is there to answer all of your queries and without any kind of assistance, I'm able to prepare for my go to the closing video. But before that, as I promised, I'll give you a bonus tip. In a bonus tip, let me proceed with that as I have started in my CA. Let's proceed for the group discussion, right? That means create a group of your peers, of your friends, and let's discuss all the three tips that I've given to you so that you will be able to assess MCQs, revisionary notes of each other, mind maps, and get completely a structured and different variables for study and revisionary notes for yourself. Moreover, in a command box, if you want my prompt library, that is completely I have framed for you all for help you in your revisionary matters. As you all know, I am in a process of giving you AI and be a smarter AI. No GAN, only smarter AI. No GAN, only smart AI only. Let's proceed with it with each one of the student, of your colleague, of your professional, of your friend who are appearing for this attempt, so that I want each one of you to clear in this very first attempt and be a qualified chartered accountant. Be a CA finalist, be a qualified chartered accountant, because we are in a race of creating AI generated